Okay. Okay, let's start. Hello, my name is Amari. Usually, I don't like to say stuff like this, but I think it's relevant for this case. I have a PhD in computer science, a master's too, obviously, and I'm a computer systems engineer. I have been interested in predicting the markets since I think 2010, something like that. I actually joined the master's and the PhD in order to create prediction models using machine learning. Anyway, that as I said, I think that's relevant because I want to create this atmosphere of trust, or at least start building up that trust. I want you to feel that I don't want to scam you. Okay, anyway, I created Overmind, which is it's an algorithm that is going to be creating prediction models for a variety of markets. It works. I have tested it with crypto, with forex, with stock, and I think that's it. I made sure that it was working for any kind of markets. Actually, any kind of time series. But anyway, I decided to create a Discord bot that interfaces with my algorithm. Actually, the algorithm is running locally over here. Um, but yeah, the a Discord bot communicates with my algorithm, and we get some nice slash commands over here. First of all, my Overmind currently can be divided into three things. One is portfolio creation, an investment portfolio creation, and debugging of the portfolios, which I'm going to explain later on, and sharing of prediction models. Let's go over there. First of all, you can create investment portfolios. So this Overmind is not going to tell you, oh, you should buy right now, you should sell right now. Those are signals. The way that I wanted to create Overmind was to for it to create investment portfolios. So you execute a command, for example, portfolio, and you're going to get this. This is a recommendation of how you should split your money, because diversification is really good when investing or when trading. So in here, it is telling us that you should buy, for example, if you have $100, you should buy $32 of Dash USD. The allocation is in percentages. So if you have $100, it's going to be $32, $16 of quant. And if you're interested into selling, like trading a crypto or an asset, you will be selling 11%, $11 of your capital. Anyway, it's also going to show you what take profit you should take, what stop loss you should take, and for how long you should hold that position. This is called the triple barrier method. Also, you get some goodies like what is the risk reward for this recommendation, the training score, and the testing score, because these are machine learning prediction models that get trained. So actually you can train your portfolio with the slash command train portfolio, and it's going to try to find better strategies, better prediction models. And I think it's maybe it's done. Let's check. Dash 34%. Yeah, it changed it a little bit, as you can see. Like right here it was 32.70%, and right here is 34.37%. So it starts getting optimized. You can run train portfolio however how many times you want. and it's going to show you a training score and a testing score. And the most important one is testing score. But yeah, you can have a look at the training score. This means how well it performed with unseen data. So like if you have a prediction model and how it's going to perform with live data, like how it performed with a testing data set. Yeah. And how much money it made. This is the accumulated revenue. Anyway, you have your investment portfolio, and then you could just execute this portfolio on Binance, for example. So what you will do is buy following these percentages. But you can, using Overmind, you can also run a very handy command, which is make video. Let's make a video about Dash USD, which is the first recommendation in our investment portfolio. As you can see, it's creating a video for user Caffeine, and we are the #1 in the queue for the asset Dash USD. It's going to take a while, but not that much. And with this video, we're going to see the trades that were taken during the testing stage. So the trades that we're going to see are, as I was trying to explain, those trades simulate what results you were going to get if you were going to use that prediction model in a live situation. It's not the training trades, because some platforms show the training score. Like if you see a platform that is telling you, oh, we have a 95% or 99% accuracy, they're either lying or they are talking about the training score, which is also lying. They're misleading you. But the video is going to show the trades for the testing score, for the testing stage, which are trades that are done on unseen data, which is the equivalent of using the prediction model by yourself on Binance or whatever. Obviously, some people will say, oh, but you're not taking into consideration slippage, or, for example, there are some cryptocurrencies where if you buy $1,000, the price is going to increase like crazy, stuff like that. It's not considered in the simulations. But if you trade like the major assets in crypto or other markets, for example, Forex, it's not going to be that relevant. As you can see, we can see the accumulated revenue for Dash USD. It's looking pretty good. I don't know. It depends on your opinion, because it was performing really well for 100 trades, and then it kind of stagnated. So it depends on your taste. And then you can see a video of the actual trade. So let's have a look. As you can see, it's buying, selling, but in general it goes to, yeah, like as you can see, it was kind of like looking like it was predicting that it was going to come a sell, like a bearish period of time. So it was struggling between buying over here, because this is a buy opportunity, and over here it's a sell opportunity, right? So it's buy, sell, buy, and then it buys, it makes money. It is struggling, and then it switches to, let's hope that it switches to only sell. There we go. Kind of. Okay, yeah, sell. So, in my opinion, for example, I wouldn't follow this recommendation, because it was just selling, but it got lucky because it was a bearish market for this period of time. So, it's yeah. I don't know. It depends on your opinion. But some other videos get really interesting, where you can see that the algorithm was learning some like very complex patterns. Like okay, it sells for just some candlesticks and then buys and then sells, and it makes profit in all of those situations. So yeah, it's really interesting. Something else that you can see is that if the stop loss, which is the red line, is very close and the take profit line is very far away, that usually means that the prediction model is very sure that you're going to be making money, which is wrong right now, right? But that's something that I have seen when debugging these videos, which is interesting. And finally, the last thing that I want to discuss is that Overmind, I created Overmind to be a social experience. If you have friends who also trade, you can invite them over, and all of you can start finding or searching for prediction models. And if you like someone else's prediction model, for example, these are mine, right? Because it says caffeine, that's my username. But let's imagine that this is the investment portfolio of a friend, and I really I really want to trade Dash USD. I really want to buy Dash USD, but my investment portfolio is not recommending me Dash USD because while trading, the algorithm couldn't find a profitable strategy for Dash USD. So I can become friend, something like friend. That there's grant or access. Yeah, these are the commands for that. I can ask my friend, hey, give me access, grant me access to your portfolios. And then he gives me access with grant access members. He writes in here caffeine. And then I can copy, the slash command is copy assets from that member. Let's, I don't know, Mike or whatever. Copy assets from Mike, and then I list what assets, what prediction models I want to copy from Mike. Like for example, Dash USD, Quant USD, or whatever. And then I'm going to copy, and I'm going to have those rules, those trading rules, those prediction models. So I find this very interesting because we can have communities in Overmind, like a community dedicated for finding prediction models to trade, to do intraday trading, for example, or to do scalping, or to only buy crypto or stock or whatever. And all these communities can focus on searching and debugging, not debugging, but filtering prediction models. And once someone finds a really good strategy, they can share with their friends, and then they can keep training those prediction models to become better. So I really like that. So Overmind is a trading algorithm, which is telling you a lot of interesting metrics. You can train them using Discord, and you can debug the prediction models using videos, using the accumulated revenue plots, and you can share prediction models with your friends. Those are the currently implemented features, and I hope you find these very interesting. Bye bye. Thank you.